Here are two carry around one central air conditioners with the gang. 1987 Carlisle J series reciprocating compressor. You can tell by the triangular terminals.
Tumsy compressor?
That's a Carlisle. Look at the terminals. They have the triangle shape. That's Carlisle. Dead giveaway. 1987 2.5 ton. This one here is also from 1987. It's a 2.5 ton. Here's a temp star. Nothing really too special. LG compressor. This one has a Carlisle reciprocating compressor. J series. Tell by the triangular terminals. 2018 to 310. Just the average temp star. Oh, this has actually been running.
I don't think
these round ones have been running though.
It's a generic ass Tim Star. I can find them at my dad's business.
I can find them just walking outside in my area. Anyways, that should conclude this video. Film with the boys.
Adios.
Yeah. Lost it.
Peace up, 8
Lost it.
Third.
Over here we got a few more units. Another round one. 1987 2.5 ton. Interesting how this has the wire pull guard, unlike the others on the property. Got a CKC with a bristol. CKC. 2004 green. 2004 boat. Got a couple of
that
them.
one's a 2000
Right here.
And it sounds like shit.
Shit. We got a Copeland compressor. 2000. We have an Armstrong air with the Copeland. 2022. I've actually never seen an Armstrong air in person before, so this is kind of cool. It's another round one temper maker right there. Has it been running? Yeah, it's been running. What's that? I can't tell.
Ow! I got a needle in there. Oh my god.
I think it has a Bristol. Can't really tell. Sorry.